Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily turn off the sleep mode on your Windows 11. Now if you find this video useful, what you can do is to write down below in the comments that it helped you. So what to do and how to actually do it. So the first thing that you need to go to is go to bottom to search, click on it, and right here control panel. Press enter. Now in the moment when you're going to be here, and you're going to press enter, you want to switch from view by category to large icons and then click power options. Right then when you're going to have it, you're going to be in power options and change when the computer sleeps. And then you turn off display and put the computer sleep to never. Or you choose a time. So that's pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.